Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the Can-Am Commander XT1000R. We've installed some great accessories on here. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about it. That red is popping, it's looking good. This particular model does come with the Can-Am winch, the front bumper. We have added the USA all-glass windshield with the louvers on the bottom. You want some airflow, kick those open, get you some airflow on those hot summer days that we're experiencing right now. We got the Can-Am side view mirrors, street legal kit from Ryco, heated seats from Tusk, and Super ATV rear window. Great combination on this machine. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. How does the street legal kit work? Want to check it out? Just like your car, down will be left. Indicator lights up on the dash letting you know those turn signals are on. We do replace those signature lights from Can-Am. Looks awesome and ties into the stock tail lights in the back, utilizing all those bright LEDs. Looking good. Horn button integrated into the end, four-way hazard function, no problem. Again, 435-427-3338. We got you covered here at Big Pine Sports. Have a great day, everybody.